Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online. Today I'm going to show you how to transform any wall or space in your home into a beautiful photo backdrop using these beautiful metal arches from eFavorMart. I will leave the link down below. Okay, for starters, I want to do kind of a flashback to a live that I previously done on Amazon, in which we shared the step-by-step tips for putting together a tiara arch wall. Now this one is just a regular arch wall. The one that we're putting together in this video is the half moon kind of shape wall, but you put both of them together the exact same way. Now, one thing that I do want to emphasize here is that once you order these, the instructions do come inside of the box. I know sometimes you get pieces like this and there are no instructions, but it's not the case with this particular piece. We are putting together the smaller one. It probably takes about maybe 5 minutes to put it together from start to finish, but again, this is just a lot easier to show you all on top of the tabletop so that you will not be intimidated in putting it together. Now, one of the things that I do recommend is once you start putting it together, when you take it apart, put the screws back into the pieces that you take apart so that you will have them for the next time, or you can put all of your screws in like a small Ziploc bag so that you could have them for the next time you use it. Another tip that we use is that we zip tie all the pieces together so that we would have like pieces together, and it will actually save on time the next time you use it by already having the pieces zip tied together. Once you zip tie the pieces together, once you affix the pieces together, you just simply want to put the spandex cover over it. I love to monogram these. It is so easy. They're so easy to monogram. I actually use my Cricut Explorer and my Cricut Venture, and I will create some, monograms for it. I use the removable vinyl. And I will link down a video that I did recently sharing how I use removable vinyl on these. And that is how simple it is to put together. It is so simple. So don't be intimidated. It doesn't take a lot of work. These pieces don't take up a lot of room either. Like, you could literally slide these under your bed, under your seat in your car, in the trunk, but it makes a huge impact in a space. And so that is why I love using these. And so I definitely wanted to share that before we got into the larger size walls. I wanted you to see kind of the process of putting it together. And again, I will link the full video so that you can go check out the entire video down below. Now let's get into what we're going to be doing today. So with the arch walls, once you get them all together, you can just find a blank wall in or around your home. Just about anywhere, right? And so I have the set of 4 metal arches. I actually have both the tiara walls and the arch ones, so both sizes. And when I put them on, I like to use my Costco, not Costco as in a store, is COTSO, Costco ladder. It's like a 3-prong ladder, but I love using it to, work with my larger backdrops. Now, the key to putting the spandex covers on is you want to make sure you create a seam, like you want to follow the seam down the side of the arch. It just makes it look a lot cleaner. And so wherever the seam is, I like to make sure that seam is going across the top and down the side, and it just gives it a much cleaner look. And I'm gonna repeat the same steps and the next two arches. So you guys, I'm going to give you just some music for your listening pleasure. It is just that simple. This would make a beautiful backdrop for fall. It would make a beautiful backdrop for back to school. And speaking of back to school, my niece is leaving, going back to college. I am so sad. She films so much content that you guys will be getting coming up. So you'll see her help me and film content as we go so that you guys can get a better depiction of what I am showing to you. So I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. I will be leaving a link down below to where you can find the gold columns, the florals, the backdrop, and everything that is seen here. You see how much of an impact that it makes. I am loving I love the sage green colors. I love the columns. I love the florals. I just love everything about this look. And if you love creating spaces and you're ready to take your passion and your desire for event planning and event design and event decor to the next level, please stay tuned until the end of this video. I'm going to give you more information on how you can join me in Luxe Academy, which is my online school for event design, event decor, and so much more. So with that being said, I will see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Luxe Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online.